Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the Dreame D20 Plus Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop. We discovered this innovative device online, and I've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what the Dreame D20 Plus actually is. This is not just any robot vacuum, it's also a mop. Designed for today's busy lifestyles, it combines powerful suction with smart features to provide a comprehensive cleaning solution for your home. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a hectic schedule, the D20 Plus aims to take some of that cleaning burden off your shoulders. One of the standout features of this robot vacuum is its impressive 13,000 Pascal suction power. That's right, it's super strong. This level of suction means that the D20 Plus can tackle everything from dust and crumbs to pet hair with ease. Speaking of pet hair, it also comes equipped with a unique DuoBrush design that prevents those annoying tangles. If you've ever had to clean hair off a traditional vacuum roller, you'll appreciate this feature. It grabs long hair and fur without the usual mess. Another fantastic aspect of the Dreame D20 Plus is its vacuum and mop combo functionality. This device allows you to customize both the water and suction levels based on your cleaning needs. It has a 500 ml dustbin and a 350 ml water tank, making it capable of handling significant cleanups without needing constant attention. With 32 different water levels, you can adjust how damp or dry you want your floors to be, ensuring a tailored clean every time. The D20 Plus also utilizes advanced mapping technology, known as Pathfinder. This means it creates precise, editable maps of your home to ensure every corner is cleaned efficiently. You can set no-go zones to keep the robot away from specific areas, which is particularly useful if you have delicate furniture or spaces that require extra care. Plus, it can handle multiple floors, so whether you live in a single-story home or a multi-level apartment, the D20 Plus can adapt to your space. Control is another significant advantage of the Dreame D20 Plus. It's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. Imagine sitting on your couch and simply saying, "Alexa, clean the living room." You can also manage the vacuum through an app on your smartphone, allowing you to set schedules and customize settings while you're away from home. So, who is the Dreame D20 Plus suitable for? If you're a busy family with kids and pets, this device is a game changer. It auto-empties into a 5L dust bag, which means you can enjoy up to 150 days of hands-free cleaning without worrying about emptying a dustbin. This feature is perfect for those who dislike the mess of traditional vacuums or who simply don't have the time to clean regularly. In practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day to clean floors without lifting a finger. You can set the D20 Plus to clean before you arrive, and when you walk in, you'll find spotless floors. Or picture weekends spent relaxing instead of vacuuming and mopping. What a dream, right? The D20 Plus takes care of those chores, allowing you to focus on what you love. In summary, the Dreame D20 Plus Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop is an impressive product that combines powerful suction, innovative mapping technology, and versatile cleaning capabilities. It's perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone looking to reduce their cleaning time and effort. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.